Hello friends, today we've brought something really exciting for you. A rotary roller machine that's going to help you a lot with your laser projects. As you can see, it runs so smoothly and perfectly, making your laser engraving work much easier and more professional. Let's check out how it performs in action. It's running perfectly smooth and works just great. Let's move on to the assembling part. Here we have all the components that need to be placed carefully one by one. We're using a high-quality motor for smooth performance, and each connection is being tightened securely. With proper alignment and fitting, everything is coming together perfectly. Here we're installing a timing belt, which helps the machine rotate smoothly and stay well balanced. We're tightening this part carefully with an Allen key to ensure a strong and stable fit. Once it's perfectly secured, let's move ahead and see what's next in the video. Something really interesting is coming up. We're adding the remaining parts carefully. As you can see, each component is being tightened firmly using an Allen key to ensure a strong and stable setup. Once everything is secured properly, the structure becomes perfectly aligned and ready for smooth operation. So friends, we needed a few more parts for this project, and we've ordered them from a highly trusted company known for its excellent quality. Let's check out which parts we are getting from them. We'll get our parts from this website. RapidDirect operates one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities, combining innovation with world-class precision. Every great project starts with precision, and that precision begins at RapidDirect. With years of advanced manufacturing experience, RapidDirect provides CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding all in one platform. Just upload your 3D file, select your material and finish, and get an instant quotation within seconds. Simple, fast, and transparent. Every part is crafted with strict quality checks to ensure precision, reliability, and top-tier performance. So whether you're building a prototype or a production run, RapidDirect, quality parts made easier and faster. So friends, our parts have finally arrived, and that too much faster than expected. Huge thanks to RapidDirect for such quick delivery. As we start unboxing, we've opened it up, and everything inside looks really amazing and well packed. You can see how perfectly each part is packed and protected. The finishing on every component looks absolutely premium, and the material quality feels really solid. Each piece fits our project requirements perfectly, showing excellent craftsmanship. We had ordered a total of 6 parts, and every one of them looks just right. Smooth edges, clean surfaces, and precise detailing. I'm honestly very impressed with the overall quality and speed of delivery. These parts will definitely help us take our project to the next level. If you need any of these parts, just check the company link in the description. You can easily order yours too. Now we're installing these parts into our project, and they're fitting perfectly just as planned. The alignment is smooth, everything locks in place easily, and the setup looks absolutely flawless. Now we're moving on to the next step, where we'll be installing the gear. As you can see, it fits in beautifully and aligns perfectly with the rest of the setup. We'll also be adding a timing belt, an essential part that helps synchronize the movement between the motor and the roller. Once the belt is in place, everything connects seamlessly, allowing the machine to run efficiently. The fitting looks solid, and overall the assembly is coming together really well. Now we're attaching the final part of our setup and getting ready to test it out. Everything is aligned properly and fitted securely. Once this last piece is in place, we'll power it on and see how smoothly it runs. The moment of truth for our project. Now we're adding the screws as well. These are adjustable screws that let us move the holder forward or backward as needed. It gives the setup better control, balance, and flexibility during operation. So friends, the full assembly is finally complete, all thanks to RapidDirect for their amazing support. Now it's time to test it and see how well our setup performs in action. For testing, we've taken a PVC piece and mounted it onto the setup. As you can see, it's fixed firmly in place and perfectly aligned, ready to check how smoothly the machine operates. It's performing really well, friends. If you have any questions or creative ideas, feel free to share them in the comments. Your support and feedback always help us improve. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.